Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. In this video, we are going to fix incoming and outgoing call not working on your mobile phone. If you are facing these errors, so keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, make sure your phone has a strong signal. Weak or no signal can prevent calls. If the signal is low, try moving to the location with better receptions. Second solution is restart your device. Long press on the power button and click on the restart. These simple steps often resolve the temporary glitches. After doing this step, check your problem. If it is persistent, then check the airplane mode. For this, go to the setting, then click on the network and internet, and if airplane mode is enabled, then disable it and check your problem. If it is persist, then go to the again setting and then go to the system updates and update your device. After doing this step, check your problem. If it is not working, then reset your network setting. Again go to the setting, then click on the system, then go to the reset option and then reset Wi-Fi and mobile and Bluetooth. Click on this and reset the network setting. If it is persist, then